Attention passengers, I'm going to call this one in. I can't open the doors. It's not safe.
Yesterday, passengers found themselves trapped inside a New York City subway carriage as water poured onto the platform and began seeping into the train. With the doors locked and nowhere to go, commuters could only huddle by the windows, watching the surreal scene unfold as they waited for help. As powerful storms sweep through the city, officials have urged New Yorkers to take extra precautions amid the extreme weather conditions.